Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale nonprofit law with CharityLawyer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale nonprofit law with CharityLawyer, begin by visiting the CharityLawyer website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, ensuring all information is accurate. Once registered, log in to your account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Resources section to access articles and guides specific to nonprofit law. Explore the tools offered for legal compliance and governance. Utilize the document templates available for nonprofits. Select the template that best suits your organization's needs. Customize the template with your organization's information. Review the tailored document for accuracy and relevance. Next, engage with the community forums to participate in webinars to deepen your understanding of nonprofit law. Take advantage of the consultation features for personalized legal advice. Implement the strategies and knowledge gained into your nonprofit operations. Continuously return to the platform for updated resources and tools. Monitor the latest trends and changes in nonprofit law through regular engagement. Evaluate your nonprofit's legal status periodically using the provided checklists. By following these steps, you will effectively scale your nonprofit law practice using CharityLawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.